How to fix your Amazon account temporarily blocked. So the first thing that you need to know is that this is a temporary block, so it's not permanent. You can wait for a few days to for the block to be lifted. So it is a temporary block. Maybe you have to wait for 24 hours or 48, or in some cases even 72 hours. So after that time, your account should be unblocked. But if that doesn't work for you, then you will have to contact the Amazon support team. For that, open the browser of your choice and then search for Amazon support. And once you search for it, you can see many links, but you have to be careful and know that there are a lot of scams involved with this Amazon support thing, so you have to be careful out there. So make sure that you find the correct link. Once you open the link, this will ask you to sign in, but instead of signing in, what you want to do is click on Need Help and then click on Other Issues with Signing. So here you can select your thing. So in this case, there is no option for I can't sign in, but you can choose my password isn't working or I forgot my password. Either of this works. So if you haven't tried their password reset page, you just want to click on it. So from here, if you know your email, you can just type in your email right here, and after you've entered your email or your mobile number, they will contact you through that and help you recover your account. But in some cases, if that doesn't work, then here you will see some phone numbers on this section. So if I go here, you can see there are a few contact phone numbers that you can try to call and get support from. And that's about it. I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching.